Okay, here we go again. We're back to the section where I need to close off these little beautiful little leaf stitches and just to close them off at the top. Now the nice thing about the way we're going to do this is it has a central stitch that runs up the middle and it's a nice symmetrical end to the stitch. So I'll show you how we do it. I'll get myself into the spot where I need to do my first set of decreases. Right, here we go. I've reached the 5 stitches that need to be closed off to form the top of the leaf. And what I'm going to do is a stitch that I've called slip 3, knit 2, pass. And the way we do that is with our right needle, we slip the first 3 stitches in the bundle of 5. The first 3 stitches we slip together, not one at a time. Slip them together. This is what makes the symmetrical leaf. So slip those together, then knit the next 2 stitches together, and then pass the 3 slip stitches over the stitch that remains that you've knitted 2 together. There we go, and we've formed this beautiful symmetrical little leaf with a centre column of stockinette stitches, and then it just closes itself up at the top. I'll purl a couple of stitches and I'll show you how we do the next one. Okay, so we're ready again. We're up to that next grouping of 5 stitches that has to be closed. We're going to slip the first 3 knitwise with our right needle. Slip the first 3 knitwise with our right needle together. So they end up twisted on our right stitch, but that's fine. That's just how on our right needle, that's just how we want them. Then we're going to knit the 2 next stitches together. And then we're going to pass those 3 slipped stitches, it's a bit of a tongue twister, over and off the stitches, the stitch that we knitted together. So there we are, we have another one. Here we go, I've passed my centre marker and I'm up to the next lot of stitches that have to be decreased. So with my right needle, I slip my first 3 stitches knitwise together. I knit the next 2 stitches together, leaves that 1 stitch on my needle, and then I lift the 3 stitches that I've slipped up and over that first stitch and let them drop. It creates my little lovely little leaf. I'll show you one more time. Where am I? Purling. Okay, here we are again. We've reached the 5 stitches that have to be decreased. I'm going to slip the front 3 knitwise together. I'm going to knit the next 2 together, and I'm going to lift the 3 slipped stitches up and over the stitch that's on my needle. I pull that stitch quite tight as I do that to stop it wriggling off. And there we have it, the beautiful little leaf. And there we have it. Lots of little leaves. Aren't they fun to make? We make a make 5 at the bottom and then we join them together with our slipped, knitted, passed stitch at the top. Good luck everyone. Enjoy your shawls.